In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this pearl and gold bracelet in 8 minutes. Tab, to go to edit mode, and 3, to face select. Let's shift select 2 faces on the side like this and remove them. Ctrl 3, to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. With those 2 edges selected, let's type E to extrude, Enter to settle, and S to scale them down. Now we can bridge edge loops to create a bracelet bead. Since we can't see the inside in our bracelet mesh, we can finish modeling the bead mesh like this. Or we can scale the inner edges. S and X to scale on the X axis. I'll apply a golden material. Please scale the mesh accordingly, so that it would fully fit the grid. Let's create a UV sphere, subdivide it, and shade smooth it. There is our pearl mesh. Once again, we need to make sure the meshes are perfectly fitting the grid by scaling them accordingly. Let's apply the modifiers, select both meshes, and Ctrl J to join them. Shift D to duplicate. The idea is to rotate them to create the designs any way we like. Please feel free to make any pattern changes to see how they would look at the end. Let's join all the meshes, and add the array modifier. My computer is starting to slow down. Please watch out for too much geometry issue when adding the arrays. Let's press Shift A to create a curve circle. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. It's time to add the curve modifier. We need to either add more arrays, or shrink the size of the curve to fit the mesh into a loop. My computer is slowing down, so it's a bit difficult to loop them. I'll keep on trying. I'll add a ground plane, and set up the render scene. When this issue occurs, please increase the camera's clip end value. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.